Compliance is an important part of what we're doing. We don't want shit on the internet. Most people are selling a printer to somebody, getting the check, handing them the keys, and saying good luck. Absolutely not with us. So that they aren't ruining the brand, they're not ruining their own reputation, the reputation of our other buyers. Not all buyers are the same. You got some buyers that can buy a printer, they do the training, they take it all seriously, they're not drunk every day when they're here during training, and then they go home and they do good. People that try and cut corners or not listen to what we're saying, those people have challenges. So their first print, when you go home and do your 30 days of post training, that can be a shit show. If they call me out and say, okay, certify us so we can start doing commercial work, I go out and look at them like, holy shit, there's no way. What are you guys thinking? You can't sell that. Why? This is your proof of concept. This is proving to us that you can print without us being there and micromanaging every little thing. Not all buyers are the same. If you're a person that's just thinks you don't need to abide by what you agreed to at purchase, those rules are in place to help you with your reputation, to help you produce a quality product. And I walk in, the walls don't look good or they're uneven because it's happened and it's not good. It's not good for you. It's not good for us. No, we learned as we went, we're better now or whatever else. I'm like, you show me you're good. And then you're certified. Then you can join with the other certified teams because they're amazing guys. And these guys are all working together. It's the information we're getting from our buyers that's coming back into the field that gives us our vision for the future or what we need to do or what our R&D projects are. Hope it was helpful. Look forward to seeing you guys here.